my refrigerator quit cooling on me, and the freezer and the refrigerator, it all just stopped getting cold, and so I'm replacing the compressor start relay. So if your refrigerator, mine's a Whirlpool, and if it stops cooling everything, if the fan's working, you want to check the fan. But if it's still working, the fan's working, and it's everything else is working, it's not cooling, more than likely it's this the compressor start relay. So I got that on. I got the new one here. I got it off of Amazon for $15 at the appliance repair store. They said they could order me one, but it'd be $70, $77 actually. And this went down on me before. I think a year and a half ago. I did the same thing, and I got it at that same place for $40. So just in a year and a half, it's went up from $40 to $77. But anyway, I got that on Amazon, and you just pull your refrigerator out to where you can get to the back of it, take the cover off, and then you wanted this metal clip right here. You want to pull it off. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. And just lay it down to the side. And then you want to be careful here. Don't damage anything, but just pull it out. Hang on, let me go. You don't have to, I'm gonna pull this out. And this right here, has a clip right here. You just take you can take your thumb and pull it out, or a little screwdriver and just pry it out just a little bit and pull it out either way. You can pull it all out at the same time and then unplug it if you want, but this is giving me a hard time. There we go. There we go. There it is. See, it's just got 3 prongs. But you do not have to pull this out separate. You can pull it all out as one unit, and then come out and unplug your sensor or your harness here if you want to. But anyway, and here's the new one. And you obviously want to go back the same way with it. The 2 prongs at the top and the single prong on the bottom. Line it up. There. And then just make sure you got it all the way. There you go. Well, sorry. There you go. Just make sure it's all the way plugged on. And then I guess I could have plugged in my harness. Hold on. I should have plugged it in. There we go. And then grab your clip, hook it on the bottom. Line it up here. There we go. Hook it on the bottom first, and then the top. There we go. And that's that. I need to, and also your coils back in there, you want to make sure they're clean. If they got a lot of dust, collected on it, you want to clean it, and anything to reach back in there. But I got this here from the last time at I think Lowe's. I got it at Lowe's. It'll reach back in there, but you want to be really careful. It'll reach back in there. Get my light here. You just clean them like that right there. Just best you can. But I want to clean it all up, the coils, because if you got a lot of dust, and a year and a half ago, whenever that compressor start relay went down on me the first time, those coils were terrible. They were filled up with dust. So if that'll prevent it from cooling also. Good. So while you got the back out, what time you got all this off, you might as well clean it if it's dirty. But yeah, if your refrigerator stops cooling, and don't just throw it away, or don't take it down to a repair store, because more than likely it's the compressor start relay, and it's just it was just $15 off Amazon, and